Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl. Hey, it's a girl. Hey, Jen J. Is it her though? Is it her? Because I don't know. Too much heat. Too much heat. I'm super excited to bring you today's video. It is on this beautiful hairstyle, honey. Girl, I did that. You see this? Do you see this? So today's hairstyle is actually inspired by Riri. Okay, we got to give credit when credit is due. But you know, I modified it for us 4C girls. I did the damn thing for us, okay? Sometimes we see these hairstyles and we're like, you know what? I could never do that with my hair type. Well, I'm here to let you know that you can, okay? This hair is everything. I love it. I'm excited to get into the tutorial. But before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? And the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram so you can get more pictures on this look, makeup tutorial, and we just be chilling in my stories. So if that sounds like your thing, follow me on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We probably have an intro all made up for this video, so let's just dive right into this hairstyle. When I saw the picture of Rihanna for her Fenty Skin lunch party, I was like, oh, hair. Okay, so this is the hairstyle I'm gonna try to recreate today. So obviously her hair is not natural, or she have a little bit of help or something in the back. We're gonna keep it natural. We're gonna keep it 4C. So I think what I'm gonna do is a bun in the back, and I may even get all fancy with it and do like a side bun. I think that will be super cute. I do have some hair that's going to help me. I have this Afro Kenki. You can't even tell what it looks like, but I will show you. So it's like that, like a very kinky type hair. So that's what I'm going to be using to do the bun in the back. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me get myself together. I'm a little bit nervous to use rubber bands. As you guys know, rubber bands can be very detrimental to your hair. I'm also trying to like be gentle with my edges. So I'm going to be very, very careful when using the rubber bands. So I have them in this little container. That's because I'm literally going to add oil to it. I hear that's supposed to help, girl. That's supposed to do the trick. So let's go ahead and add some oil to these rubber bands, because not today, Satan. Not today. Now that we got our rubber bands nice and oily, let's get into this hair. So I've been navigating towards using just a scarf like this to tie my hair at night, just because, you know what? I say I want to take care of my edges, but I'm really not taking care of them. So I'm just trying to be a little bit more gentle. My hair feels amazing. It's been washed, deep conditioned, detangled, moisturized, girl, the whole 9 yards. So it feels so good. And I'm so excited to get into this tutorial. Let me tell you, my hair feels so good. Look at this. Look at this 4C hair. Isn't she just giving you life? By the way, I am breaking out like crazy thanks to my mask. Ever since I started wearing masks outside, or going outside a little bit more, literally this side of my face is breaking out like crazy, especially this side. This side's always been my bad side. The issue with me breaking out is that it always leaves hyperpigmentation. So I have all of these marks and active pimples. It's not cute. It's not cute. And my skin was doing so well, so I'm so mad about that. I'm actually going to pick up a few things to help. What's fun about breakouts if you don't buy new products? I don't know. Okay, girl. So I'm going to part my hair a little bit past than the halfway mark. Start with my signature middle part. That's just how I always section my hair when I am doing any kind of protective style, anytime I need to handle her. That helps me keep things proportionate, and working in section is kind of like key, you know. We're going to put the back to the side. We'll get back to her later. And now we're just going to start sectioning the front. So the front should be fairly straightforward. What I'm going to do is part the main sections first, and then I'll go back and do the rubber bands. What I'm telling myself now is that it's okay. It doesn't have to look exactly like her hair, but really I kind of want it to look exactly like her hair. So let's take a look. Where's my comb? Where did I put the comb? Where is it? Oh, there it is. You know what? Before I even get started, let me put some oil on my edges, because I'm telling you guys, I'm starting to pay attention to them now. Oh, especially right here. This is my bad side. This is my good side for my skin, but then bad side on my edges. And this is my better side for my edges, but bad side for my skin. I can't win. All right, so we're halfway there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and we just got another 4 parts to do. There we go. Basically, this hairstyle is almost done. I always say this, and I have like an extra hour to go. We have our parts. And we're ready to do the detail work. I am going to use a little bit of gel. I typically don't like using gel when I do my hair. You guys know that gels dry out my hair, but I do want this style to be nice and slick. I even have some backup edge control. I don't want to get there because I'm trying to protect my edges, but we'll see how we do. So the gel that I'm going to be using today is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel, because the name is not long enough. Oh, we are looking good already. Basically what I do is I part a section. I use a bit of gel at the roots only. I don't drag it all the way through the end just because I don't think it's necessary. Secure it with a rubber band. Be very careful when you're doing this. Do not do it very tight. When in doubt, go a little looser, just because you are going to loop the first strand into the next, and it can get tight without you noticing. So there is one strand of my hair that's being pulled over here. So against my will, I'm going to take these out because bald spots are not cute. All right, so we'll just do it again. Listen, I am not trying to get any breakage from this style, so I'd rather do it again now versus regretting it later. And this is basically what you'll have to do over and over. So part a section, use a bit of gel, secure it with a rubber band, and then tie the previous section into the next. Super simple. At the very end, I go ahead and twist up my hair. Whenever possible, I like to keep my ends protected, so this is why I'm doing the twist, but that's absolutely optional. I'm also paying attention as to where I place my parts, so I try to go as even as possible all throughout the front. I want to stress the importance, once again, of not putting the rubber bands tightly, because the hairstyle is meant to be cute, but not supposed to break your hair. All right, basically, the front is done. I am loving it so far. For the back, I'm gonna be using a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is basically done, but we're gonna get our money's worth, girl. So after moisturizing the back of my hair, I am just going to put it in a ponytail, and then I'm going to gather all the twists and put them into the ponytail as well. Okay, I'm sure you could obviously leave your hair like this, but we are gonna go the extra mile. We're going all the way. So I'm gonna use a crochet hook. Oh my god, do you guys remember when crochet was in? I feel like everyone was crocheting. And then what happened to it? No one crochets anymore. Okay. For the bun, I'm using the afro hair that I showed you guys. Basically what I'm doing is crocheting the hair around the bun as well as all over the bun. It may be helpful to actually do twist instead of leaving your hair into the little bun, just so everything blends in seamlessly, but I will leave that up to you. Once you have enough twist for a bun, then you just have to gather the hair, and I use a bunch of bobby pins, as many as necessary, to secure it in place. I am so tempted to use some edge control. Jen, should you do it? I think I may use just a little bit. A little bit. You know what? Let's work with the gel first, and then we'll go to the edge controls. I really feel like edge controls are kind of harsh on your edges. All right, so let's just use a little bit of gel for now. I just know the gel is not gonna hold my edges down. You know? I know it. So now I am going to wrap my hair up. I'm actually gonna go out, run some errands, and then I'll be back. And this is it, you guys. This is the hairstyle. Okay. I just don't need nobody to tell me nothing right now, okay? Like, when I tell you I am feeling this hairstyle, it's so elegant, so chic. Oh, garçon. It's beautiful. I love it. It didn't even take me that long, to be honest. The hairstyle itself is not that long. I mean, if you have parting skills. If you don't, you may struggle just a little bit. But it's okay, practice makes perfect. And with the rubber bands, it really helps create these clean parts. Even if your parts are not as straight, tell everybody else to mind their business, okay? Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm just super excited today because average 100,000 subscribers. Okay, I'm just gonna put that in there, shameless plug. Anyways, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, reaching out to me, sliding in my DMs. I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're just moving on up from here. You can't talk to me any kind of way anymore. I'll get up out of here. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.